Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we are back for our next painting experiment with the Master's Touch Premixed Acrylic Pouring Paint. On the last one, if you didn't see it, I just did a flip cup with just the paints. I didn't add anything. Today we're going to be adding this Cell Medium, and in the little pamphlet that comes with it, it says to add 3 to 4 drops to each color. So I'm going to go ahead and do 4 colors in these cups and add the Cell Medium to that. And these are the plastic cups and stir sticks that came with the kit. And I'm not using my silicone bowl today because I don't want to put any kind of oils into that. So because I'm mixing in the oils, I'll just do it right in here. I am going to be using black, red, and gold. And then I might add some other colors into the main pouring cup that won't have that Cell Medium in there, which I think will be fine. Let's do a lot of gold. Okay. And I do like that this comes with a little dropper kind of thing. So it says like 3 to 4 drops per color. I think I did some extra. That's okay. All right, and then we're gonna gently stir it in there. I don't think it needs to be super stirred or anything. I think I might add some of the lilac into this color combo. I don't know, let's see. All right, we'll start with the white. And I'm gonna go ahead with some gold, then black, red. Okay, this looks like this should be enough paint. I think I'm just gonna stick to these colors for this one. Go ahead and flip. And I'm not using a lot of white, so this will definitely be a little bit on the darker side. Go ahead and throw a little more white in here. Okay. Rest of the gold and then the rest of the black. And we should be good. So for this size canvas, which is just an 8 by 10, you only need about 5 ounces of paint. Yeah, I'm gonna throw a little bit more, both black and gold in here. And I still have plenty more paint for one more experiment. Okay, great. Let me go ahead and clean everything up out of the way, and then we're going to flip cup this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip it, and I think I already said this, but if you didn't see my first video with this premix paint, the link will be in the description. So you can see all 3 of the experiments I'm doing with this. This is number 2, and then number 3 will be following shortly. That will just be a tree ring. You can already see that cell activator or Cell Medium is causing the paint to fall away from the cup. So I'm gonna let this sit here for a minute, then we'll pull it off and see what we've got. All right, we're back, here we go. So I should have used plenty of that Cell Medium. I used a little bit more than it recommended that I stir into the product. So let's go ahead and torch. Ooh, look at that. Okay, much different reactions than without the Cell Medium. So it definitely helped with that. Go ahead and tilt this around. Quite a bit of red over on this side, so I'm going to tilt some of that off. And come back here and then go back this way. Kind of like that though. All right, let's go ahead. We'll let this sit for a little while. I am still hoping that more develops even than this, because I put a lot of that Cell stuff in there. And then we'll come back and we'll do our close-up. All right, we're back. some definite more cell reaction. Honestly, not as much as I was hoping for, but that's okay. I'm kind of happy that this red stayed right here, but we had little cells pop up here. Let's do our close-up. Okay, here we have the lower right-hand corner, lots and lots of cell action in there. Upper right-hand corner. Some pretty cool effects throughout the red here. And down to the lower left-hand corner. So I think this stuff could be kind of fun to play around with. But there you guys go. Experiment number 2. So let me know what you guys think. Check out video number 1 if you didn't yet, and stay tuned for video 3.